Imagine a world where beings look and act just like us, but lack inner experiences or conscious awareness. They're like machines producing words and behaviors, but internally dark. This intriguing concept is known as a philosophical zombie, and it's at the heart of thought experiments challenging certain philosophical ideas. Philosophers use these zombie scenarios to question physicalism, which is the belief that everything about nature, including human nature and perception, can be explained physically. It's like saying everything from the color of a flower to the joy we feel boils down to physical processes. Now, some philosophers, including David Chalmers, argue that if we can imagine a zombie that's physiologically indistinguishable from humans, it could poke a hole in the idea of physicalism. Chalmers suggests this zombie could exist as a logical possibility, challenging the notion that everything can be explained physically. On the flip side, physicalists like Daniel Dennett call foul on Chalmers' zombie idea, deeming it illogical and outright impossible. They believe that consciousness is intricately tied to physical processes and cannot be separated. To better understand this, picture Susan Blackmore envisioning a zombie version of herself, a duplicate in appearance and behavior, but lacking any inner experiences or awareness. It's like a clone that mechanically produces words and actions, yet inside it's devoid of any conscious light. Now the big question emerges, could this zombie suit truly exist? These zombie arguments following Chalmers dive into two main areas, epistemology and metaphysics. The epistemological argument claims that if we can conceive of philosophical zombies, beings without consciousness, it exposes a gap between how we understand the physical aspects of things and their phenomenal or experiential aspects. The metaphysical argument takes a step further, suggesting that the mere conceivability of these zombies spells trouble for materialism, the idea that everything is fundamentally physical. Materialists have to grapple with either denying that zombies are conceivable, type A materialists, or accepting that they are, while arguing that materialism and zombie conceivability can still coexist, type B materialists. For those who lean towards ontological dualism, the philosophical zombie experiment becomes evidence that the mind and matter are separate entities. In essence, these philosophical zombies shake up our understanding of the mind and consciousness. If they're conceivable, it implies a gap in our current explanations, pushing us to question whether consciousness can truly be reduced to mere physical processes and challenging the way we model cognitive science.